Are you tired of being locked into one cloud provider? What if I told you there's a way to leverage multiple clouds for your business? In this video, we'll reveal how to build a robust multi-cloud strategy that frees you from vendor lock-in. The multi-cloud approach is not just about using multiple cloud services. It's about strategically selecting the best providers for your needs. With the increasing number of cloud options available, businesses can align their cloud strategy with unique operational demands. Now, let's talk about cloud portability. This is the ability to move applications and data between different cloud environments without hassle. Imagine being able to switch providers with ease. This can significantly enhance your strategy and flexibility. But wait, have you ever considered the risks of vendor lock-in? This phenomenon occurs when a company becomes dependent on a single cloud service provider, making it difficult or costly to switch. Stay tuned as we explore ways to minimize this risk. One crucial aspect of avoiding vendor lock-in is to use open-source tools and technologies. They allow you to move workloads between different environments seamlessly. Imagine reducing your dependency on one vendor and gaining the freedom to choose the best options. Another critical tip is to ensure your applications are designed for portability. This means structuring your applications in a way that allows them to be easily deployed across different cloud platforms. Think of it like building a modular system. Quick reminder, if you're finding this information valuable, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. Your support helps us create better videos for you. Now, let's shift gears and talk about hybrid clouds. A hybrid cloud strategy combines private and public cloud services, giving you the best of both worlds. It's all about flexibility and control, allowing you to tailor your cloud infrastructure to your specific needs. Did you know that the hybrid cloud market is expected to grow significantly? This shift reflects businesses' desire for agility and cost savings, as well as increased performance. Understanding this trend can help you position your company for success. When implementing a hybrid cloud strategy, consider your data management processes. Ensure that data integrity is maintained across both environments, and establish clear policies on data accessibility and security. As we approach the end, remember to continuously evaluate your multi-cloud strategy. Technology is ever evolving, and what works today might not work tomorrow. Stay adaptable and ensure your strategy aligns with your business goals. In recap, a solid multi-cloud strategy allows you to avoid vendor lock-in, leverage cloud portability, and utilize the benefits of hybrid cloud solutions. With the right approach, your business can thrive in a competitive landscape. Subscribe for more insights, and let us know in the comments what cloud strategies you're considering. Stay tuned for our next video, where we break down the top cloud service providers and how to choose one for your business needs.